Hello there, everybody. It's Mariah Carey. Not yet, at least. Halfway there, you know what I mean? Hello, how are you guys doing today? My name is not Mariah Carey. My name is Nikki, here with the Mutra makeup video channel, creating a music video makeup look for you guys, because it's Monday, so it's music video makeup Monday. You feel me? You feel me. Today we are going to be recreating none other than Mariah Carey's iconic look, talking about her iconic song. I won't say it's an iconic look, but we're recreating the look from her 2019 music video for All I Want for Christmas Is You. We're going to be recreating that music video makeup look while we talk about this amazing smash international success of a song while we chill here in my dirty kitchen. Hey! So if you're interested in music videos and you're interested in seeing how to get the makeup and a little bit of the facts of these music videos, then definitely keep watching. I'm here for the most part every Monday, sometimes on Thursdays, so if you like that type of stuff, make sure you subscribe. But enough of me sitting here yappering about nonsense, and let's go ahead and get started, shall we? Let's do it. Having long hair is hard. If anybody tells you it's not, they're lying, because this is fake and this is hard. Alright. If you see any part of my wig that looks messed up, don't mind it. I don't do wigs, okay? All right, first step that we're gonna do today, my friends, is prime our eyelids. So after you prime your eyelids, today is going to be a very, very simple look, and we're going to use a very, very simple palette, and it's going to be a new palette that I got recently because, like I said in my last video, I was impulsive. And that is the KKW palette. One of the classic palettes. I'll list it down below because I don't know what the heck I got. But it's one of the classic palettes, and it has literally all the colors that we are going to need for this music video makeup look. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first color that we're going to go in and use is going to be this really pretty light brown color that's right up here on the top, called Florence. And what we're gonna do with Florence is put that in our crease like so. And as we put it into our crease, let's go ahead and chat about Miss Mariah Carey herself. So the song All I Want for Christmas Is You was recorded in August of 1994, and it was released on October 28th of 1994. Next, we're gonna go in with the color Chicago and put that on the center of our eyes. It was co-written as well as co-produced by a guy by the name of Walter, and please forgive me because I cannot say his last name, but it's spelled like this. All I Want for Christmas was off of Mariah's 4th studio album, in which she named Merry Christmas in 1994. And it honestly got a lot of backlash throughout its creation. Mariah had just gotten off of her very successful previous album, which was called Music Box. And if you haven't heard it, there's a lot of hits on that album, but she had just finished that album, and so a lot of people who are around her, essentially, were advising her not to do this album because she was very adamant, like she wanted to do a Christmas album because her and her family always listened to Christmas music, and it was a very big thing to her growing up. But the people around her were not really into the idea. They said this was not ever done before. Doing anything sort of Christmassy or a Christmas album after coming off of such a hot record would probably break her career. So everyone was advising her not to do it, but she was adamant, she was persistent. She said, no, I want to do a Christmas album. And so that's exactly what she did. Next, we're going to go in with the color called Fade, and we're going to put that kind of in our crease ever so slightly. So she went ahead and she went through with it, and she created the album regardless of what everybody else said. And All I Want for Christmas was one of the first singles that was released off of the album, like I said, back in October. The song kind of got an immediate success. A lot of people who listened to it early on and were listening to it that year were claiming that it was going to be an immediate success and something that was going to be a classic and a staple for years to come. No one knew it would be, you know, over 25, 26 years of constant repeat, but that's essentially what happened. When it came out, the New Yorker specifically called it, and I quote, one of the few worthy modern additions to the holiday canon. It quickly reached #1. A lot of different countries, including Australia, Canada, France, and of course, the United States. Next, we're gonna go in with this tone down here on the bottom called Gemini, and we're going to put that right here on the upper part of our brow bone, just to kind of enhance it and make it look a little bit brighter. And now what we're going to do as we talk a little bit more Mariah Carey is just put our foundation on and finish the rest of our face. This is basically all you need for the eyes. We'll add a little bit more detail towards the end, but that's all that we have for at least the top part of our eyelids. So let's go ahead and jump in and add our foundation. For my personal foundation choice, I like to use CoverGirl. It covers everything for the most part for me. But yeah, use whichever one that works best for you and go from there. Honestly, if you have a wig on, you should probably pin back your hair as well. Please don't be like me, because I clearly I'm not very prepared for this, and it's kind of annoying. After applying your foundation, it is time to do some highlighting and some contouring. She definitely has both going on in this, so it's pretty important to add it just to add that extra dimension. For my highlighting and contour stick, I have been using faithfully my Wet n Wild stick, so we're going to go in with that. In other news about the song itself, in 2019, the song hit #1 once again, 20 years later, 25 years later, which I thought was pretty darn cool. It's just like, I don't know, you don't hear about songs hitting #1 many years later. I think the most recent one in reference to today is probably the song Dreams, with the guy who was riding his little skateboard and drinking his ocean spray cranberry juice. And I mean, he made the song go to #1 again because everyone was just so obsessed with that feel-good video. So she also did it. Like I said, it's very rare for an old song to make a comeback, but she did it last year once again for the holiday season, making it go #1. 25 years later. In 2017, it was estimated that over 16 million copies had been sold of the record, and she had collected royalties of over $60 million. In total, she has made about 4 different music videos for the song itself. The very first music video that was created for the song was the one where Mariah is, it's like a home video style. Her husband at the time also was in it. They shot it with a 8mm film camera, and they just kind of did like a home video style music video. The second and third music videos that were created were black and white versions, and she made it look very just vintagey. That was kind of the goal that she wanted to make. The last music video that was created for this look was the one that she dropped in 2019, which is essentially the makeup that we are creating today. The song itself has also gotten her placement in the Guinness World Records, and also in 2018 she outbeat the record on Spotify for the most amount of plays in one day, topping that number at 12 million streams in one day. I'm just gonna be real, that's a lot of streams in one day, and let alone 25 years later. Like, man. The last step is gonna be our lipstick, and I'm gonna be using Nude Lust Cream Lipstick by Maybelline New York. The song has also gotten just really a numerous amount of different awards over the years. The Daily Telegram has named it the best Christmas song of the decade. And I mean, so many more. I mean, you have all heard this song. We've all heard this song. It's been around for 25 plus years, and it has just been a solid banger every single Christmas. So let me go ahead and change this wig up real quick, and we'll be right back with the final look. And that, my friends, basically sums up this music video makeup look for you guys. I had a lot of fun creating it, and I think it's a very good look that you guys can do, honestly, on a daily basis for the holidays, really anything in between. It's a very pretty golden look that honestly fits, I feel like, any skin tone. It fits any holiday, any day, all of that. I hope you guys enjoyed the small little facts that I kind of tried to add in here for this music video. It has been an amazing song for the past 25 plus years, and I just thought, you know what, for the holidays, let's do something different and do a holiday inspired video. So special thanks, y'all, to my good friend Gabby with the naturally beautiful locks. Special thanks to her for helping me create the curls in this look, because I could not do it by myself. And special thanks to Mariah Carey for making all of our holidays that much more memorable with this song. So thank you guys for watching, and like I've said before, if you guys like this kind of content, please make sure to like this video, comment, let me know what you guys thought about it, and please subscribe down below. Thank you guys so much again, and we'll see you guys in the next video. See ya!